Welcome! In this video, we will answer a multiple-choice question about compensation packages for members of production assembly teams. We will move slowly, define each part clearly, and end with a short recap. Here is the question. Which of the following are components of the compensation package for members of production assembly teams? We will first list the choices. Then we will analyze what compensation really means in a workplace. Let's show our answer choices. As you listen, notice that some of these are typical parts of pay, while one is not. We will identify the correct items one by one. Before we choose, let's define what a compensation package is. Compensation is the total set of rewards an employee receives for working. It usually includes a fixed part like base pay, a variable part like bonuses, and benefits such as health coverage or retirement plans. So, think of compensation as a complete bundle, not just the paycheck. Now let's evaluate each option. Option A says base hourly wage. This is the most common part of pay for production assembly teams. It is the guaranteed money they earn for each hour worked. So option A is definitely part of compensation. Option B says overtime pay. Overtime is extra pay for hours worked beyond the standard schedule. Production assembly teams often have overtime during busy periods. So overtime pay is also part of compensation. Option C says a free company sports car. This is not a typical compensation component for production assembly teams. It might be a perk for high-level executives, but it is not a standard benefit for assembly line workers. So option C is not part of the package. Option D includes health insurance and retirement benefits. These are classic benefits, and they are a key part of compensation. Companies often provide medical insurance, dental plans, and retirement matching. So option D is definitely part of the compensation package. Option E says a team performance bonus. Many production teams receive bonuses for meeting output, quality, or safety goals. That makes bonuses a variable pay component of compensation. So option E is also correct. Let's summarize. The compensation package for production assembly teams usually includes base hourly wage, overtime pay, benefits like health insurance and retirement, and sometimes performance bonuses. A free company sports car is not a standard component. Final recap. Compensation is the total reward for work. For production assembly teams, it includes base pay, overtime benefits, and sometimes bonuses. Those are the correct parts. Thanks for watching, and great job working through the logic step by step.